takaa. Mark, Kimi won here in 2003. That's 13 years ago. How has he changed as a driver and as a person in 13 years?
Good question. I think, to be perfectly honest with Kimi, one thing that's never changed, and one of the reasons I like working with him so much, is what you see is what you get. If he's in a bad mood, he doesn't smile, he doesn't talk. If he's in a good mood, he smiles and he talks. You always know where you stand with him, and he doesn't pretend to be anything different. So I don't think that's changed at all in the period of time that I've worked with him. I think in terms of as a driver, I don't think you can ever buy experience, and obviously being in Formula One as long as he has, you gain experience every year. So I think that's something that just naturally happens. As a person, again, I think everyone ages, everyone gets older. When he was in Formula One originally, he was one of the youngest guys. Now he's the oldest driver in Formula One, has Robin, his family. So I think that's a big change for him. So I guess that's how I see that he's changed.
Kimi Räikkönen voitti siis täällä ensimmäisen osakilpailun voittonsa Formula 1 vuonna 2003, 13 vuotta sitten, kun kysyin Markelta, että miten Kimi on muuttunut 13 vuoden aikana, niin yksi asia, mikä on varmaan on muuttunut se, että, tai ei ole muuttunut, on se, että Kimi on aina oma itsensä, koskaan Markin ei tarvitse miettiä sitä, että millä tuulella hän on. Hän on aina oma itsensä ja ei tarvitse sitä arvailla. Ja totta kai kuljettajana hän on saanut paljon kokemusta, mitä ei voi ostaa rahalla, se tulee iän myötä ja kokemuksen myötä. Ja sitten totta kai yksi asia, mikä on muuttanut, on ihmisenä se, että hänestä on tullut isä, ja se muuttaa totta kai aina ihmistä. Mark, Kimi said for Heikki Kulta, Turun Sanomat journalist, that he could not believe to work with anyone else except you, that you're a superman. How does it feel?
That's very nice of him to say. Thank you. Yeah, obviously it's a very nice thing for him to say. It's nice to hear. From my side, I couldn't imagine working with another driver in Formula One, and I think the fact that I've worked with him for 15 years, it obviously works as a relationship. But yeah, like I say, I enjoy working with him, and from my side, I couldn't imagine working with another driver either.
What is the secret that you have been working for such a long time together?
I think, like I said originally, what you see is what you get. There's no pretense. I know exactly where I stand with him. We have a very good balance with how we work together. And yeah, like I say, it just works. Why change something that works?
Thank you so much for the interview. Thank you, Mark.
Kiitos, hei hei.
Kiitos, hei hei. Turun Sanomien Heikki Kulta